Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. What's up people? What's happening? I hope you're staying safe wherever you are. To my old subscribers, thank you for trusting this baby girl and thank you for always coming through for me. If you're new here and you haven't joined this family, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So guys, today I'm actually going to be talking about bitter kola. If you're an African, you definitely know what bitter kola is. As the name may sound, bitter kola, it's very bitter. And this is how it looks like. Just in case you don't know, you can actually get it in your African shop. This is the one I've been eating, or any local shop near you. This is very medicinal, guys. I bet you don't want to know the strength or the power, if I may use that word, when it comes to this. This has a lot to do in our body. When you actually go to the local areas in Africa, you see a lot of old people eating bitter kola, and you begin to wonder, why are they eating bitter kola? That's because they know the health benefit about bitter kola. This cures a lot of disease and can really help in a lot in this time now. This is one thing that you should have in your wardrobe, to always in your kitchen, to always chew and eat anytime. This has been used by our forefathers. The truth is that we, out of ignorance, we ignore herbs that has been given to us by God. When we are sick, we just want to run to the hospital, forgetting that we had herbs before hospital, forgetting that our forefathers didn't have hospitals, but this is what they use. These herbs actually what they depend on at that time, because there was nothing like hospitals. So beautiful people, I'm actually going to be sharing with you 6 benefits of bitter kola, and the main reason I'm actually doing this video is the first I'm going to call, that is improving the immune system. Bitter kola health benefits is extra, guys. It actually improves the immune system. You know, sometimes you see those old people eating bitter kola and you just think like, oh, why are they eating bitter kola? This is medicinal. Bitter kola is medicinal. It has this antioxidants that helps you fight bacteria. So just in case you fall sick or you make contact with any bacteria, your immune system is strong enough to fight those bacteria. So guys, if you're lacking bitter kola, or if you don't eat bitter kola, this is the right time for you to start eating bitter kola, because we just have to do whatever we can to boost our immune system. When your immune system is very strong, then you have to be rest assured that any virus or any bacteria you actually come in contact with at the beginning, your body is just going to fight it. So that is why you see a lot of old people who are neglecting this stuff. They fall sick easily, and you know, they don't really, their lifespan is kind of not long, not because their lifespan is short. It's simply because their immune system is not actually strong enough to fight those bacteria they actually come in contact with. So if you're neglecting bitter kola, if you don't know this benefit about bitter kola, this is what you should do. Now you know, and don't ever go a day without taking bitter kola. So our next is going to be bitter kola improve sexual life. Yes, bitter kola improve your sexual life. You know, sexual dysfunction for men sometimes is very embarrassing, and this way you really don't know how to go to the doctor to start telling the doctor, I'm not sexually aroused, my banana cannot stand, or if my banana actually stand, it goes down, you know, I'm like 2 minutes or 1 minute. So bitter kola is for you guys. So if you're a man and you are battling with sexual dysfunction, you should learn how to eat bitter kola regularly. This will help you. It will strengthen your muscles. It will help you regulate the blood to go into your banana and make it strong and last long. So as a man, what are you waiting for? if you are facing challenges sexually, bitter kola is one thing that can actually keep you going. Bitter kola is one thing that can actually take that dull moment from you. So guys, the thought is that bitter kola can actually help you fight glaucoma. And glaucoma is actually an increase in pressure in the eyes, which means if you have this problem, it can gradually lead to losing your sight if you're not careful, and it can actually lead to being a short-sighted person. So if you're having problems to see objects when it's far, then you have a glaucoma problem. Maybe you can only see objects when it's close to you, then that's not good. You should consider eating bitter kola regularly. Bitter kola is known to fight glaucoma very well, and that's why you see our old parents always eating bitter kola. They know what they're doing, though they cannot really explain all the benefit about bitter kola, but they know why they take bitter kola. So if you're finding it difficult to see, if you're a short-sighted person, you should consider eating bitter kola regularly. And the fourth on the list is that bitter kola is good for smokers. Are you a smoker? Do you smoke every day? Then you should actually consider eating bitter kola, because it actually clears your lungs and give you a fresh breath. So fifth, guys, is that bitter kola actually helps to increase orgasm in women. If you're a woman and you don't have orgasm, I don't know what you're missing. And funny enough, a lot of women get confused and mix these two together, like having orgasm and you coming and you having orgasm. They are both different things. Like for me, I would say I cannot have orgasm every day, because definitely you want to take all my strength away and you want to take my flesh away, because orgasm for women is very different. It's not like men that you can actually get orgasm for men every day, like 3 times a day or 4 times a day. Women is very different. That's why you see a lot of people confuse the two together, and you say, oh, I just have orgasm. If you have orgasm, your whole body will be like an electric shock. There's this vibration that will come from inside your body that you cannot explain. It's unexplainable. So if you know you don't have that, that means you're not having orgasm. You're only coming. Coming is very silent. Orgasm is different. Like your man who is holding you at that time would definitely feel that vibration from inside. So if you want to feel that sweetness that actually lasts for some seconds, then you should consider eating bitter kola frequently. And the sixth, guys, is that bitter kola can actually be used when you're having a cough. Yes, bitter kola is very good for cough, because it helps you fight every bacteria that is in your lungs. And if it's kind of a severe cough, then you should think of mixing bitter kola with ori. The English name is called shea butter. Yeah, when you mix these two together, it can actually help you with that cough or that dry cough. So thank you, guys. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for always coming through, and thank you for taking your time to stay by to watch this video. I will see you in my next YouTube video, guys. Bye bye.